spikes are inserted and pounded with a sledgehammer to split a giant rock. No ladder is needed for this worker who flings mortar at an unreachable spot. A ramp is used to tilt a truck for a quick and easy dump. A hopper tool is used to paint a slow down sign by a fancy-footed worker. Two workers with perfect rhythm work in unison to drive in a railroad spike. Plaster is troweled and rolled over a brick template to achieve a faux brick look. An ultra-smooth concrete finish is achieved using a mortar and plastering machine. Movable concrete roadblocks are rapidly repositioned with a nifty diverter attachment. Large road cracks are quickly filled with a gooey mixture of bitumen and mineral filler. Two opposing template arms clamp down on molten hot metal to create two rivets. A massive tree stump is turned into wood chips with a powerful stump grinder. A concrete finisher goes full cliffhanger when smoothing out the last part of a job. A master lumberjack chops out wedges and inserts planks to scale a tree. An artfully made mold is pressed over tinted mortar to create an imitation rock facade. Old railroad ties are swiftly replaced by an excavator with a dig and grab arm attachment. Electrical tower removal is made easy thanks to an ingenious design. A seasoned drywaller flexes when applying drywall mud with 2 joint knives. A crafty worker uses a hand tool with a drill bit to cut off excess drywall. Thin set is evenly distributed with a hand tool to ensure large marble tiles stay put. Two pros assemble a prefab spiral staircase over the course of a day.